Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to ask a question on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to open your Reddit application, and now what you need to know is it is the most important part of asking a question on Reddit is choose a right subreddit. So for example, if I want help with my design project, I just simply click on here, find the design. I have also made it for video, and you need to join on this subreddit. So now once you've done that, you need to create a post. Just wait a little bit. Just click on create here. Write a title. The title also will be contain your question. So for example, you need to write something like how I can add layers, for example, for on Photoshop, and people will answer your question. So in the body text you need to write your question, write a problem. Also you can add a link, for example, on your social media, or add a picture and video with your problem. So just simply write something and click on next. Now we've also joined design subreddit, so we choose design subreddit here, and now you can see that your question will be added to design subreddit, and that's all. You just need to choose a flair, for example discussion, click on apply, and click post. So that's all, your question is added, and now you just need to wait for people to respond on your question. That's all. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.